and foremost, allow me to appreciate that the CS was appointed a youthful and, so far as I know him, an intelligent young man who must deliver and champion the youth sports, everything that is under his docket. From the discussion, since I listened, the preliminary of the introduction of the majority leader, a lot could be alluded by the fact that Honorable Kajwang mentioned that there were some disorders which needs to be put to order. I had a lot of emphasis on the roles of the majority leader directed to the CS. To me, that was not fair at this juncture, because that was not the purpose as to why he was called. Secondly, Madam Speaker, there was also a mention of reckless talks. I was disappointed as a professional teacher when the children are on the gallery and I hear a senior member of parliament talking about, I don't care what is in the social media. Very unfortunate for elected leaders. That must be corrected to all of us. Number three, from the discussions which the CS has been asked, it is mandatory that the CS has to table the records and reports on the framework of its work in terms of procurement, in terms of the activities taking place within the country and outside the country, and align it to the budget, to the committee of sports, so that issues are verified. I was also seeing a case whereby the deputy speaker gave out the photos of pictures of Adidas. I don't know Nikes, I don't know what. We cannot verify that. Madam Speaker, I want to remember one time when Honorable Atinda Molo gave out a report of signed documents. This very house was disapproved and said that we cannot accept that. It is not authentic. And so even the Adidas photos are not authentic. Until the Committee for Sports summons the CS for Sports to sit before them. One thing that I'm talented, Madam Speaker, is psychology. I want to say that the discussion I'm seeing here is tailored towards crucifixion. Even Jesus was told he claims he's God. Jesus was told he claims he's what? I think we are leaders and we are mature. Please, I'm now asking my question.
Honorable Bensouda, you are now debating. You are now debating. I will give you 30 seconds. If you have a question, ask the question.
Very fast, and 1 second, I'll ask 3 questions. What framework do you have for the female gender of this country in active participation of sports, not necessarily international? 2, I come from the Lake region in Homabay County. We are not only talking about swimming, we have boat racing, and I want the CS to tell us what plans he has for talent nurturing, because this country is working towards youth empowerment. What are we doing on activities along the lake to ensure that through your ministries, youth are empowered? Talent Ayala is working, come on board and work with the Ministry of Women Rep Homabay County.
Order members, we must make progress and we will close this session. CS, Honorable Cabinet Secretary, order members, we have already gone 1 hour